Mr. President Trump, this is to share with you why Muslims exclude Qadianis from Islam. In fact, the founder of the Qadiani cult, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, claims to be a prophet and superior to all previous prophets, including Jesus. We Muslims believe that Jesus and then Muhammad, peace be upon him, are the final prophets. Jesus, Mr. Qadiani believes, has died, about whom the Holy Bible and Quran state that he would come again before the doomsday. Mr. Qadiani claims to be the Jesus, and he has arrived with more superiority. Your Excellency and respected Christian scholars, the blasphemous belief of Qadiani cult is a matter of concern not only for Muslims but equally unpalatable for Christians and Jews too. Qadianis consider Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani not only superior to Jesus, rather they recognize him to be actually the Jesus who we Muslims and Christians believe will come again to help humanity. On the contrary, Qadianis consider Mr. Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani Jesus, and that the Jesus has arrived who is no one else but the Mr. Qadiani. Finally, if studied carefully, one can see that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani has employed blasphemous language in his books against Jesus. Based on that, listening to and accepting Qadiani belief is against Christianity, Judaism, and Islam, the three Abrahamic religions. That is why we Muslims do not recognize Qadiani as Muslims. We Muslims also believe that using blasphemous language against any prophet, be that Jesus, makes one kafir, a non-believer.